Hey everybody, good morning. So it's day 2 here and I think we are in Naran right now. So for today's video, we are heading to Hunza. Okay, so we are heading to Hunza. Forgive me about my audio. The wire that I connect to my camera and the transmitter is broken, so my audio is not going to be good for the rest of this trip. But hopefully we find it somewhere while we are traveling, because I really cannot, because it has to be a really good audio, otherwise I'm going to freak out when I edit this. So again, this is day 2 and let me tell you more about what happened last night, and we're going to have breakfast here. These are my roommates, by the way. Everybody, good morning. This is the day 2 here in Naran. So this is my view. Again, it's kind of bad news because my audio cable for my microphone is broken. So I'm using like my my camera mic, and I hope that we'll be able to find that cable somewhere along the way, because otherwise my audio for the rest of the trip will not be good. So hopefully, I'm really hoping kahit anong alternative, papatusin ko yan because I really need one. So again, everybody, hoy, tignan mo yung face ko. Diba? Ang ganda. Ang fresh. Pero after 2 or 3 days, tignan mo. May tigyawat na ako dito or dito. Because for the last 2 days, I've only had like 9 hours sleep in total. So, oh my God, I really hope that I'm not gonna have pimple this trip. Because the hotel is dirty, there's a lot of dust. So, I'm expecting that I'm gonna have one actually. So, again, welcome to day 2 of my Hunza's cargo trip in Pakistan. Let's do this! Ay, gusto mo to? May nag-iisang upuan dito sa room na walang tao. Tapos kakanta ka ng tulog ka na, wala din. Ah! Charos. Charos lang. Hoy, alam nyo, this trip is just very simple. Like, they are having conversations now. They wanna be separated. Dahil kapag gusto mo ma-separate, magbayad ng hiwalay. Kung afford mo, di ba? Huwag mong idamay the rest of the trip sa mga ka-artihan niya. Huwag ako. Huwag ako umeksena dito dahil, ay, charos. Huwag natin nagbayad mo na sila. O, syempre, alam nyo na, any trip without a drama will not be complete. So, syempre, alam mo naman, marites tayo. Magtanong tayo. Best friend, what's happening? What's happening?
The tour was changed. 5 boys are going to the bus, and families are separate, and bachelors are separate. English.
Ayan na, quick update about what's happening. 40 minutes after, non-stop drama is happening. So basically, the management can't handle the situation because I think there are 2 buses. They have 2 tours today, and the other bus, some of the guys there made something, they misbehaved. So as part of the rule, it was clearly indicated that if they did something wrong, they will like cancel the trip, like drop them. But they didn't do it. And what they want to do is they want to put those guys who did some illegal things, they said, okay, we're not sure, and put in our bus, and exchange some of the people from our bus in their bus. So of course the people in our bus doesn't want that. They want to stick all together. So yeah, I already thought that it's not a good tour, but again, let's try to enjoy this. But sharing this, most especially for those people, you know, just so you know what, sometimes this happens, this kind of drama happens, but what important is you stay beautiful, kind, and pretty, just like me. So okay, magpa-affect. Hayaan nyo sila mag-away-away, just be beautiful. Update, 9:50 almost still. The guides are not even bothered to explain to me like what's happening. I'm the only foreigner here, so I'm lost. So just now, some passengers also told me, thanks to the other passengers who explained this to me, that since yesterday there were things that a lot of things were happening. Like we don't have a tour guide in our bus. A lot more things. I didn't focus na because I don't like dramas. I want like a happy memory, just a very good trip. So alam mo na, makipag-usap na tayo sa mga lokal. Hoy, alam mo, umeksena na tayo kasi it's so delayed now. Excuse me. Let's talk to them. Time check at 30, so finally after like half an hour, we're in the place. The job is finished. It's not a good start of the day, so let's be sure that we'll do our best to make the most out of this day. Everybody sleeps. Finally, somebody has explained it to me. I'm sorry, we're not in Narat, we are in Chilas. So we're heading to Gilgit, and after this, our last destination for today is going to be Hunsa. So it's going to be so exciting because that place is so beautiful. A lot of good views. So I'm going to see you there, and I'd like to make this vlog, this second day of my Hunsa started just very quick lang. So everybody just showing you like real quick what I can see right now, 5 minutes away from my hotel. See how beautiful it is. But Chilas, it's not that cold, so I kind of don't like it here because it's hot. So here, Pasig, busy. Kainas, my mic is not working. Chura ko, grabe. Hi everybody, just a very quick stop over here. I really hope that this one really works because my microphone, once again, is not working. See ya. They sell some things here. For those people who's coming here, I mean, you can ask your tour guide, I guess, to make a quick stop over here. And here's the tour guide. Not in the mood because I remember there was a problem earlier. That's our first stop. Nanga parbat. Nanga. Pag wala kang aura, lasing na kayo. Nanga ka. Gano. I wanna take picture there, but it's really hot. My skin is not prepared, so enjoy nyo na lang sa video. Okay na yan. Mga buhangin-buhangin. Kaya na yan. Hayaan mo na. Hi, finally, we did a stopover. It's 4 in the afternoon. And kala ko hindi na kami magla-lunch dahil naka-adjust na yung tiyan ko. I do eat breakfast na from time to time. But still, konti lang. Pwede naman yun, oo. I don't know if you, focus ko siya. Kita ba? Hindi. Pero snow yun. Haggard ko daw yung hangin. Lamig ng hangin dito kasi anyway, papakita ko nga. Ayan, kasi dahil dyan. Malapit na kami dyan. That's the reason why it's kind of cold now. So, ayun. Stop over kami dito for lunch. Hoy, I'm searching for food, but let me show you like the place. Ay! Oh, see? It's beautiful. Wait, I'll show you more. There's the snow again, everybody. We Filipinos, we like the snow. So mga mahilig mag-ano dyan, water rafting, bala kayo dyan. I'm looking for a restaurant there. I saw a burger. Ano nangyari sa English ma? Burger. Okay. Pwede na yan, kahit anong burger. Gutom na ako eh. Para alam natin kung nasang location tayo, welcome to Rakaposhi Viewpoint. Kasi hindi na ako babalik dito ang init. I mean, yung araw mainit, yung hangin malamig. But still, it's gonna make me dark. So we don't like that. Oh yeah, look, there's restaurant there. I love that. Wait, I'm gonna go check what's happening there. Hoy, everybody, I told you, I was there. There is where I bought my burger. And look at my view while eating my burger. Amazing, right? Ang arte ng right. Paano yung right mo? Paano yung spell nun? Hoy, diba? Ang tari ng mga nagaganap. Yung burger mo, 550. Pero yung view mo, sobrang expensive. Ang taray. Hoy, may ano, may cycling. Ang tawag dyan? This is the second longest zipline in Pakistan. Hoy, if you have the energy and the time, pwede nyo i-explore until there. But for me, I will eat first. I-priority ang health. Nakita mo naman na na-experience mo na go. I-wait mo lang yung ano. Kakain lang ako saglit and then I will go there. Oh, see other, oh. See, where's the kid? Oh, see? My God, he's not afraid. If that's me, I'm freaking out. Trust me. Pero iniisip ko kung pupunta pa ako doon. Tinatamad na ako. Ina-enjoy ko na lang yung view habang nakaupo dito. Ganda, grabe, no? Pero imaginein mo, ha? Who would have thought na makakakita ka ng ganyang kagandang mountain snow cap sa Pakistan? I told you, everybody, i-book nyo na yan. Yung ticket, ang i-book, yung ticket. Hindi yung mga kachat nyo. Puro kayo pag-chat sa mga Pakistani. Tantanan nyo yan. Charos, go, ilaban nyo yan, mga mami. Hoy, again, this is the second longest in Pakistan. Zipline. Hindi ko anong long yung mga kinakemperot nyo. O, ayan. O, doon ka mag-i-start sa bahay na yan. O, kaya mo yan. Hindi ko akita mo yung kid. See? There's also bike. And there's the zipline. You see? Oh my God. Oh no. Oh God. Ang lakas ng laob ng mga kids dito. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, bye-bye. Hoy, time check. It's 5:40 in the afternoon and I'm having my second chai. Finally, you know, this is like, medyo mahaba-haba yung stay namin dito, like an hour and a half. Lahat ng pinupuntahan namin lugar, alam nyo, 15 to 20 minutes lang. And also, one thing you should know, when you're booking a trip, please make sure that they are like, foreigner ready. Foreigner ready, like, yung tour guide dapat yung nag-i-English, yung English dapat yung bye. Dapat yung buong, yung tour guide English, yung ano niya, yung tawag dito. O basta yung pag-guide niya. Kasi, ang hirap kapag hindi English, parati kang lost. So, nakakaya naman magtanong sa lahat ng katabi mo, hoy, ano nangyayari, anong ginagawa? And the tour guide is not doing that for me. So, sabi ng tour guide sa akin, are you happy? Sabi ko, no. Honest talaga ako, like, no. Kasi, hindi naman talaga. I mean, I'm enjoying the trip as much as I can. Parang, I'm making the most out of my trip. But the whole service, ang line ng pinoportray ng alam mo yung TikTok nila, parang super ganda, kala mo ang happy. But, I don't know if it's just me but a lot of passengers, like, are also complaining a lot since last night. And, well, that's my personal comment. That's my personal review. I really don't like the service. So, and it's my first ever time to book a tour. I usually do it myself, but I checked it before I go here. I even checked if how I can go here by commute. Unfortunately, they don't allow foreigners to ride the public transportation going here. So that's sad. That's the only reason why I decided to go to this trip with a private tour. So, yeah. Tsaka daming hanash ng mga kasama ko. Dami nilang nirereklamo dahil magdagdag ng bayad para maayos na. So ayun, I'm taking advantage of this time para lang magpahinga. I wanna go there to honestly, gusto ko talagang mamasyal. Gusto ko pang maglakad-lakad, pero dahil nakakapagod siya, grabe. Nakakahilo. Pagodan dahil in-expect ko to, so alam ko, sana makapagtulog ako ng maayos later. So ayun. Diba? Parang kating-kati na ako. Hindi na happy. Everybody, we are here at like Altit Fort. It's called Altit Fort, and I don't know what exactly we're gonna do here. Because again, the tour guide is not explaining to me what's happening. But let's make this day as good as we can. So let's just follow them. Let's see what's gonna happen. Oh, you see the snow there. It's again there. Wait, nagiging ako sa mga taong nakatira dito. Just like imagine them seeing this view every single day. Tapos, nag-update yung ano ko. Nakasagap tayo ng konting internet and then my phone, I was able to get a little update on my phone. And the temperature here right now is 16 degrees. So there. So basically, we are walking. Assalamualaikum. Hoy, alam mo dito kahit wala. Ay, ano kaya to? What's this? Look, oh. Hoy, to the people of Pakistan, can you explain to me what is this, please? So basically, we're just walking here, just following them. Because, hoy, honestly, I'm tired to ask the tour guide to explain things to me. I told him naman, like, don't explain a lot, just tell me where we're going and what we're gonna be doing there. For example, we go to Hunza and check this, that's it. And if we have a stopover, tell me like how many minutes, that's it. It doesn't have to be long, because I'm the only one, so I am considering that. But at least let me know, like, how many minutes we're gonna stay there. Ganon, kasi syempre nakakaya magtanong sa mga katabi mo because they are also enjoying and it's not their job to explain those things to me. Ang taray nung hidden paradise. Gusto ko yan yung mga tagong paraiso. Hoy, asa na yung ano ko? Wait, dito ba sila? Okay, so we're gonna be going here inside. Assalamualaikum. So here, Altit Fort. May nababasa akong coffee. Alam niyo yan. Hoy, ayan ha. The place is beautiful. Hoy, you know what? On my next visit here, I promise I'm gonna take someone. Because it's beautiful. And who's that? Antayin nyo sa mga susunod kong vlog. Abangan nyo, abangan nyo, abangan nyo. Hoy, tingnan nyo yung place. Inunahan ko na yung dalawang babae niya sa harapan ko. Yung kasama ko. Kasi maarte yun. Did you take my footage? Can you delete that? Gago ka ba? Di-delete ko para sa'yo, gonggong. Sana ba ikaw yung tipong nakapuni? Yung nakatago yung mukha, nakatago yung balat. Kung makapag-blush on ka, putok hanggang tenga, di naman patay. Huwag ako. Matik naman, honestly, like, I respect talaga. If I think like, you're that girl. Another view. I don't know why everyone is going there. But I know myself. Dito walang pumupunta kahit mag-isa. Ako pupunta. Pa ba? Nanay ko nga hindi ko sinusunod, tour guide pa. See? I'm solo here. Trust me, everyone will go here in a bit. It's beautiful. Hi, see? I'll show you the view. Ay! Hindi na siya masyadong appreciated kasi yung oras. Anong oras na ba? It's 7:10 here. So, wala na masyado. Pero kung pumunta kami dito ng mga sunset, ang ganda siguro nito. Ay, ito na. Nasa tuktok na ako. Pagod na ako. Hoy, tinan mo to. Alam mo yung parang bahay ng mga duwende. Ganun siya. Ang cute. I love this. Ay! Ay! Bakit parang may paligo ang nagaganap doon? Gusto ko yan. Ayun o doon. Tinan mo. Ay! Hoy, gusto ko dito. I love this place. Look. Hoy, ayan yung yung mountain snow cap. Super lapit na lang siya. Mukha lang siyang malayo dito. But if you're here where I am, it's so near. Ganda oh. Para ka ano ba to?
How did you get there?
Basta ang ganda. So there was this guy telling us that it's not allowed to go here. Ang weird. Because the tour guide left us. Because the tour guide told us to go here. So, this guy is telling it's not allowed. No problem to me. Because of me, I follow the rules. If they said it's not allowed, okay, it's not allowed.
I love your outfit.
Mine?
Yeah, yours.
Thank you. He said it's not allowed.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
It's not allowed.
Oh, hindi raw allowed. So, let's go. O, diba? Ang cute ng tour guide namin. Dinala kami dito tapos hindi pala allowed. Ano ba? Ano nangyayari? Bala sila mag-away doon. Pagkasabi sa akin na, it's not allowed. Okay, I'll go. Hoy, let me show you more of the place here. Let's see what else I can find here. Hi, it's past 7. Forgive my English. It's finished as well. Alright, trust me. If you can go here like with your friends, at least group of 5, do that. I will not advise to go here alone. Because most especially if you're gonna do the same thing that I'm doing, like the tour, it's gonna be hassle for you. Because the room sharing and everything, it's a disaster. Hey, there's a shop here of like bunches of sweetness. Let me just try to check it. Hello. Would it be okay if I just film around? Okay, so if you go here to Outlet Fort, you're also gonna see this beautiful shop here. So. And some drinks as well. Oh, Pepsi Black. Hoy! Ito pa, oh, there's... Ang ganda naman ng mga shop dito. Dalawa lang sila, or like, 4 lang sila para ka nasa loob ng Harry Potter house. Yung parang ganun, may ganun siyang vibes. O, tumabi tayo, may truck. Baka ay, no, there's more inside pala. Okay, sorry, there's more inside here. But I love this, look. This is Cherry, right? What's your name? Oh, Muhammad daw. I hope my mic is working. You guess. Try to guess. Where do you think I'm from? Huh? Me. Country. Philippines. Yes. Okay. Hindi kayo magkaintindihan, sinabi ko na lang. I'm going back to the coaster now. Today is not the day, honestly. No matter how hard I try to make this day as beautiful as I can and to share positive things with you guys, but everybody, today is not the day. It's just the situation as not making it possible for me. Yung buti na lang masasabi mo, ang ganda ko. Kahit magkagulo kayo dyan, mag-away kayo, okay lang, maganda ako. Magkagulo kayo dyan, huwag nyo akong idamay. So, ayan, let's go back to the coaster. Let's see what else is gonna happen this evening. Walang kuryente dito, feeling ko. This is the time of the day where the electricity is out. I'm just really hoping right now that the place where we're gonna stay, I hope it's gonna be cold. Para kahit walang kuryente, that's fine, because last night really it was also a disaster. So, yeah, I'll continue my what was I was saying earlier. Like, if you're planning to go here, try to go with your friends, at least group of 5 or 10. Trust me, it's gonna be easier for you guys, because if you share with your room with your friends, less hassle. And if you are with your friends in the coaster, less hassle, because you can ask them to take pictures for you. And while you're in the coaster, you can change seats without being shy. Because right now, I'm shy to ask people. Though some are offering naman na, hey, you wanna sit here so you can take videos, pictures? But I'm saying no because I want them to enjoy as well. I don't want to disturb anyone. That's me. I really don't like disturbing anyone. So, I really hope that I can fix my microphone talaga. I mean, my microphone is okay. I just need like an audio cable. And the tour guide is not making it possible for me as well. I requested it so many times. Sabi ko, even like just 3 to 5 minutes. At least check, at least one shop. Just one shop lang. And I'm done. If we cannot find it in one shop, it's okay. I'll settle with whatever I have and I'll do what I can. But again, he's not making it possible for me. So, that's fine. So, ayan, chumika na lang tayo ng mga lokal. Ang daming lokal na chumichika sa akin. Gusto ko sana mag-street interview, but I'm not in the mood. Ayoko maging plastic. I told you, if I'm not in the mood, I'm not in the mood. Ayoko ng vlog na pinipilit. Ayoko nun. Gusto ko yung delivery. Gusto ko yung outcome is natural. And you are yourself. Diba? Huwag mong pilitin yung sarili mo. Hello. Super high sila. Hi. So, ayun. We're going back to the coaster and let's see what else we can do today. Is this cherry? Can I try? Shukriya, just one. They told me that cherry in Hunza is the best. Someone told me. So, okay, we'll try it. Sabi ng co-passenger ko, sabi niya, you should try the cherry in Hunza because... What is that?
Cherry.
Ay, okay. Fine. Kaya pala na pinamimik. Ito naman yung cherry nasa puno, dai. Ayan, oh. Hoy, first time ko man makakita ng puno ng cherry. My God. Hala. Hi, everybody. For those who have never seen a tree of cherry, a cherry tree, this is what it looks like. Oh, ayan siya. Small lang siya, but ay, gusto kong pumitas. Ay, masarap yung cherry. Can I have more? I will take two this time. Ang sarap. Uy, gusto ko ito. Ang sarap. Diba? Baraot. Baraot sa Hunza. Hindi mo kaya yan. Ang harap. Uy, sorry naman.
Why?
Talagang naaaliw ako sa sa cherry tree. Uy, gusto ko yan. Gusto kong alam yung pumutol lang. Ay, di ba ginagawa natin sa Philippines yun? Like, we're gonna cut like one small sanga. And then we're gonna put that and we're gonna try to grow it in the back of our house. At the back of our house. Hoy, ayan Kate Reto under the cherry tree. Ang social. Gusto kong pumitas. Pero binigyan na nila ako. Hoy, totoo yung sinabi ng co-passenger ko. Masarap yung cherry dito. I agree. Everybody has, or everyone who's coming to Hunza, you should try the cherry. It's true. Masarap. Fresh. Mas masarap sa mga cake na nilalagay sa ibabaw sa Pinas. Wait lang. Hoy, tingnan mo yung driver may binibigay sa akin. Ipakita mo yan. Hoy, yung cherry. Pinitas mo to doon, no? Pagal, sila ulo man siya. Wait, nagpitas man siya tapos binigay niya ako. Alam mo, kakainin ko to. Okay, I will eat this later. Shukriya. Gusto ko to. May bagong pitas yung cherry. Gusto ko may dahon-dahon pa. Sabi niya sa akin, shh. Tapos sabi may binibigay na cherry. Kala ko kikemi ako. Naka-ready pa naman ako. Dalawa lang kami dito. Uy, tignan niyo pala yung coaster. Paano yung uy? Tignan mo siya. Ito yung coaster namin, everybody. So, buisit ka, nagulat man ako sa'yo. Nagulat ako sa kanya, day. Shoot. Pag sinapak kita, tingnan mo. Nagulat ako sa kanya. Ayun yung coaster namin. And this is my seat today. You know, what I'm thinking is, uupo ako sa iba't ibang, kasi nagsha-shuffle kami dito. So, parang makakapili ka. Hindi makakapili, like, may choice naman na makaupo ka sa upuan na gusto mo. Kasi everyone, everyday, ayun yung rule, parang isha-shuffle kayo. So, dito ako yesterday, napili ko ngayon today. But the best seat is yung pinakaunahan, katabi ng driver. So, if you have the chance to choose that, I think, if you really want that seat to be yours, like, no one can sit there, magabayad ka ng extra. Sabi sa akin ng driver, dito ka na umupo, keme. Tapos yung iba rin dito, na mga hindi naman masyado nag-video, sinasabi nila sa akin, you know what, you should sit in the front. Kasi sabi niya, because you're doing more videos than us. Ako na yung no. Sabi ko, no, it's okay. My time will come. My time will come. Ayun na. So, I think this is the last stop. So, let's see if we're heading home or what. So, okay. This day is not the best, but maganda ako. Yun lang yun. Hi, we have a very quick stop over here. Window shopping daw. So, we're gonna do the window, but the shopping no. So, let's do it here. I'll show you the place. Okay, di mag-window shopping. Madali akong kausap. Ganda nung lugar, I love that. Di nga ako China, huwag kayong makulit. Hi.
Hi.
Okay na guys sa akin. Sumasama ako. Charos. A very quick view of the place. So wait. There's the village. Di ba there's city lights? So this is not city lights. It's a village lights. And here, daw mag-window shopping. Okay. Kaya di mag-window shopping tayo. Gusto mo yan? Hey, wait, there's another village lights. Hindi siya city light kasi hindi naman yan city. I think Peshomera. So, village light. And here, carpets. You know, Pakistanis, they like carpets. And also, Arabics also, I think. I believe so. Okay, so let's just walk lang here. Hi! Ay, tanatawag nila ako. Ay, lumalapit ako. Ako, malalapit. Wag ako kasi sumasama talaga ako. Assalamualaikum. Singgay. Kaya hali. Good.
Get up.
What?
Where are you from?
I'm from... You guess. Where do you think I'm from?
From Thailand.
No. Next. It's wrong.
Singapore.
Nay. Next.
Malaysia.
It's near, but Philippines.
Philippines. Oh, good.
Ang gwapo na kayo. Alam niyo yan. Nice meeting all of you. Ay, there's more shops here. Ay, ang ganda ng shop. Kainis yung microphone ko. O, siya pala yung owner ng shop. Yung chumichika sa akin. Okay, he's the shop owner. He's so mabait.
Thank you.
So, in case that you are here in Hunza, you should visit his shop.
You should be talk with my guests also as well. If they are comfortable.
Yeah, if they're comfortable. But thank you.
You are welcome.
Ay, gusto ko to.
You are vlogger?
Yes.
Oh, so great. This is Ibex skin.
Yeah, it's true, no? Pure. Ayoko niyan para kung humahawak ng totoong hayop.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's 100%, no?
Yes, 100%.
Yeah.
Ibex.
Yeah.
This is trophy hunting.
What is this?
Ibex. Ibex.
The one with the...
Yeah.
the long one. Okay. O, di ba alam ko? Kasi mahilig ako manood National Geographic.
What's your channel name?
It's Catereto. Ang kitong bagets. Wait, I will show you.
Must be, please.
If you can remember the name. You can remember?
What's the name of your channel?
It's Catereto.
Can I take a picture of it?
Yeah, you can take a picture. Here you go. You follow the TikTok and then everything is connected in my TikTok.
For sure I will follow.
Alright. You say hi to my vlog.
Hello everyone.
What's your name?
My name is Saad.
Saad. Okay,
Yeah,
nice
please
meeting you,
support our
Saad.
new customer.
Thank you. Ay, gusto ko
Customer
yan.
service.
Ay, diba? Gusto mo pinromote yung channel ko. Gusto ko yung mga ganyan. Those people who's promoting my channel, I love them. Okay, next shop tayo. Diba? Just when you thought, just when you thought that, just when you thought that you're not gonna have a good content, then you're gonna meet good, kind, and beautiful people. Okay, so I'm gonna get my... Wait, I'm gonna get my my battery. Bigla ko nalobat, kakaloka. Okay. Hanggang Hunza, artista tayo. Are you follow my TikTok ha? Okay, go. Okay, let's go on the side. So we're gonna be here now for an hour here in Bazaar. So that's amazing. That means quality content. So, hi guys, if you notice, sometimes you will notice my vlog is just walking because I just wanted. Hingal ako pataas kasi siya buiset. Because I just wanted to share, like the full experience sometimes. So you will notice sometimes my vlog, even if nothing is happening, just boring. Because that's exactly what you're gonna feel once you're here. Ayoko ng mga super parang ang dami nangyayari, kinakat lahat. Tapos when you go to the place, wala naman palang masyadong ganap. So me, I'm also trying to make it like balanced as much as possible. So we're just gonna walk here. Girl, yung energy ko from 5% naging 110. Ang gwapo, shucks. Bakit naman kung kailan ko pinost yung camera ko tsaka ko siya nakita? In case nandito kayo sa Hunza, ay napansin ko lahat naman ng tours, isa lang pinagdadalan. Ayan, may cafe. Pero check nyo rin kasi minsan wala namang kape. Ang daming cafe kinan pero dito wala namang kape. Di lang yung meron sila. Ayan. Again, it's boring, just walking. But this is what it feels like to be here. Oh my God, wait. Munti ka na ako matalisod. Lang. Hi! Naghanap ako ng mobile shop. Sabi niya, come with us.
You are vlogger?
Yes. Come with them daw. Hey, hi.
Hi.
Sabi niya, come with us. Ay, wag ako ang kinakam with us niyo. Kasi sumasama ako. Mobile shop. Come with us, pero ako yung nauuna. Come with me. Charos. Ay, gago. What's your name?
Abres.
Abres. Slowly, nihingal ako. Wak-wak pa. Diba? May extra tour guide tayo. I'm what?
Any ID you are?
Huh?
YouTuber you are?
Yes.
Research your name.
Okay, I will give it to you. You have your phone?
No, sorry.
So how will you subscribe? You have your phone?
No.
Also no?
In here.
But this is the name, K. Toretto.
Okay, Toreta.
Mm.
Okay, okay.
Bakit nyo pinagtatawanan?
Toreta.
Toretto!
Get reto.
K. Toretto. Asan na yung mobile shop? Ningal na akong taas na neto me. Hoy, sabi 100 meters. Sobra na to. Hi.
Okay, Coretia.
Toretto. Anong Toretti?
Coquereto.
K.
Get correcto.
K. Toretto.
Okay, Toreto.
Oh, where's the mobile shop?
Hardly there.
Ah, ito na pala. Okay.
Come.
Oh, sumunod tayo. Total, pamigay naman tayo. Sumama tayo. Hey, look at the place. It's so vibrant. A lot of things are happening right now.
This is mobile shop.
Where? Hi! Totoo yung parang pharmacy to. Ah, ito lang talaga. Hi, I found a mobile shop. Sana meron silang audio cable. Everybody, this is the best news ever. I told you. You know, this always happens to me. If I had a bad day, then it's always gonna end up with something really good. So I found a mobile shop here in Hunza, and they got exactly what I needed. So I'm gonna buy a lot. Di ba? Na-OA talaga ako. Like, I was so bad trip the whole day because the microphone is not working, and I'm thinking it's gonna be hard for me to edit if I will record it. But everything is working now, so I'm super duper duper mega happy. And he's a shop owner. He's so kind. Can you say hi, Mr. Engineer? Hi. And he's fixing my DJI mic as well. I hope he can fix it because I want to keep the original one. But I'm still buying something from him. I love it. What's your name again?
Nasimula.
Oh, everyone who's traveling here, just in case you need like cable or anything, I think at least you can find something here for the meantime. So, I told you, maghanap lang, mahahanap mo yan. I'm learning something new. I only know like the Patan, Punjab, Balochistan. There is, how do you say it?
We are Hunzakuts.
Hunzakuts.
Yeah.
Something like that.
Yeah. We are from Hunza.
Okay.
The people of Hunza.
So you don't belong to the Patan, Punjab tribe, no?
No.
It's different.
Different.
Oh, I learned something new. I hope we all learned something new today. They fixed my wire. They have everything that I need today. They really made my day. So, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Thank you. Hoy, okay na. I'm done with my day. I'm ready to sleep ng happy. Talaga. That's it. I can end this vlog with this. Na-happy ako sobra. Hoy, let's enter this shop. It looks so colorful. Hoy, my God. I can see it. Hi. You work here?
Yes.
I hope you don't mind I'm making a quick video. Okay. I told you they love carpets. See? I told you. What's your name?
Israeli.
Hi. Apsarali?
Israeli.
Israel. Just Ali.
Yeah, okay.
Ang hirap nung una, hindi ko maintindihan. Nagdesisyon ako sa pangalan niya. Hoy, look, it's so colorful. Full bangs ma. Sino itong tumatawag sa akin ng gantong oras? Sino to? Ay, si Charmaine. Best friend ko tumatawag. Wait nga. Talaga ba? Shoota ka, nagbablog ako at the moment. O mag-hi ka, total nandiyan ka na. Shoota ka. Everybody, meet my best friend. Madumi yan, pamigay, kung sino-sino inaano niyan. Ayan. Look at the place. Wait nga, nagbablog ako. Thank you, Ali. Diba? Nagtataka ako, sino tumatawag sa akin ng gantong oras? Ay, wag niyo akong chinacharot na nanonood kayo ng vlog ko. Ay, nanonood daw sila ng vlog ko at the moment. Wag niyo akong chinacharot. Nakita niyo lang nagbo-vlog ako, pinapakita niyo, pinapanood niyo ako. Okay, kilala ko kayo. Ay, wag ka. Adrian, wait lang Adrian, wag ako. Wag ako, oo. Kilala ko kayo. Chinachempo. Ay, si Jace pala to. Sorry, Jace. Sorry, Jace. Aliniwala ako, si Jace nanonood talaga yan. Assalamualaikum. Ay, ba yan? Mamaya nyo nga ako tawagan, nagtutur ako. Tingnan mo. Sumama kayo sa tour. Sumama kayo sa tour ko kung gusto nyo. Nasa Hunza ako. Skardu. Yes, I'm here. Huwag kang magbabanggit ng mga ano, i-edit ko pa to. Mamaya naka-vlog ako, mamaya ka na magbanggit ng kung ano-ano dyan. Ikakat ko pa to. Ay, ito na yung best friend ko. Oh, Becky yan, pero bet na bet siya ng mga bayola. Ang tangkad kasi, tapos makinis, tapos baby face. Oh, irareto ko na. Oh. I'm not ni Hauma. Philippines. Minaamoy akong barbecue, my God. Gaga. Kala nga nila from Thailand ako eh. Minaamoy akong barbecue, shucks. Wait lang. Hahanap ako ng kasama ko. Hoy, mamaya na tayo mag-uusap. Hindi ako makapag-vlog. Dalawa-dalawa yung ginagawa ko. Bye-bye. Jace, thank you for watching my vlog. I miss you. Bye. Hoy, alam mo, okay na yan. Time check tayo. It's 9:20 at the moment. And, hoy, there's a small shop here. Gusto ko to yung parang niluluto-luto lang. Oh, they said I have to go back daw in the coaster ng 9:20. Time check, it's 9, so let's go back na. I wanna eat first because I know yung dinner sa package hindi masarap. Hindi ko na naman kakainin. Hindi ako happy sa mga pinapakain nila. So, let's just buy a food na lang. May nakikita akong smoke, pero walang barbecue. Ano to? Papausok lang kayo tapos amoy manok. Hey, promise kapag ito hindi pa rin barbecue, may imburn na ako. May pinasukan ako naming smoke tapos wala daw barbecue. Ano yan? Nagpauling ka lang tapos wala kang ginawa. Hello. Kakaloka yun ah. Ay, barbecue! Oh, wait, ko-confirm ko muna. Mamaya hindi na naman to barbecue. Ito na naman ako. Kaya I'm asking something. Wait lang, di kayo magkaintindihan. 6.50 raw, 10 pieces. Like 10 sticks? Sorry. How many pieces like this?
This is the beef one.
Okay, where's the chicken? I want to see. Pakilamera. Where, this one?
This is a leg piece chicken.
How much is this?
600 rupees.
One piece.
One piece 600 rupees.
With rice or no?
With this one only.
Okay. How many minutes?
300 rupees.
2? I don't like beef. Let's do chicken now.
Maybe 10 minutes.
Maybe 10 minutes. Hala. I cannot do it because we're leaving in 15 minutes. Kain eh. It's okay, thank you. Huy, taka lang. I will call. But gusto ko yung chicken barbecue, shucks. Wait lang, I need something ready. Because we're leaving now. We cannot... Kala ko may ready na. Oh. Alam mo, maghahanap na lang ako ng yung madali lang kainin. Wait lang. Let's try this one. Hey, you know what? This is where I'm gonna end my vlog na so I can find my food easily. Para mas mabilisan tayo. So, again everybody, this is day 2 of my Hunsa's cardio trip. I hope that you enjoyed watching this vlog. It didn't start positive, but it ended up very positive and I'm really happy. I was able to fix my mic today. And let's see how the day 3 of my cardio Hunsa trip goes tomorrow. So, that's gonna be it everybody. Thank you for watching the second day of my trip. And that's it. Bye-bye. Talaga naman, may nakikita akong pinapaypayan, umuusok. You know what that means. That means barbecue. Okay, let's do this. Finally. Hala, ang sarap. Okay, let's buy.
This is 200.
200 2-piece?
No, 1 piece.
What is this, beef?
This is, yeah.
Chicken?
Yeah.
What is that? Wait lang, ano yun? Okay. Wait lang. Okay, let's buy. I'll buy 2-piece. Not spicy. Nay. 2-piece. Do piece. This one. This is chicken, yeah? Chicken.
No. This is chicken.
Chicken. This is
Malayo.
Okay, but this is chicken, yeah? Okay, I get this. Do piece, yes. O, ayan na. Bumili tayo dito. Hindi mo kaya yung cherry sa Pakistan. I just noticed it. Mukhang pinamimigay lang siya. O. Tapos ang mahal-mahal niyan sa cake na nagsisimula sa letter G at sa cake na nagsisimula sa letter R. Tapos pinamimigay siya sa Pakistan. Oh, I'm gonna buy here. So, okay. Bonus clip lang to. Bye-bye again.